When you think of the name Mariah Carey, right? What's the first song that comes to your head? I guess I would assume for most people it's All I Want for Christmas Is You or We Belong Together. Anyway, Mariah Carey, We Belong Together, Fly Like a Bird, a little mashup. With no further ado, let's get into the video. Is that Miguel?
One of my earliest memories is of a time when my parents were going through a divorce and there was kind of like a lot of turmoil in my house. And my Nana Reese, who was an evangelist, was there. And I just remember her sitting and talking to me and laying her hands on me and saying, everything's going to be all right. You're going to get through this. Your dreams are going to come true. And it's like, who even knew what my dreams were back then? But
don't get me started.
Has always been very closely linked to
I didn't mean it, but I said I loved you so
I
much.
know that without it, I never would have gotten through any situation in my life, and I'm just grateful to God for giving me this gift.
Sweet love. Yeah.
Didn't mean it when I said I didn't love you so. I should've held on tight, I never should've let you go. I didn't know nothing, I was stupid, I was foolish. I was lying to myself, baby. I couldn't have fathomed I would ever be without your love. Never imagined I was sitting here beside myself. Cause I didn't know you, but I didn't know me. And I thought I knew everything I never felt, baby. The feeling that I'm feeling now that I don't hear your voice. Oh, love you, touch your fish, you left cause I don't have a choice. Oh, what a little gift to have you lying by my side right here. Cause baby, when you left, I lost a part of me. It's still so hard.
You see, it seems like you could tell that she's taking it easy in this performance. It doesn't really look like she's going full out, digging deep, giving it her 100% effort, I guess. It sounds chill, and it sounds like it fits the vibe. You know, it's not to the point where it's dull. Her Fly Like a Bird, so I wonder how she's gonna sing that.
Left, I lost a part of me. It's still so hard to believe. Come back, baby, please, cause we belong together. Who else am I gonna leave knowing times get rough? Who's gonna talk to me on the phone till the sun comes up? Who's gonna take your place? There ain't nobody better. Oh, baby, baby, we belong together, baby. So why can't love I lost a part of me? It's still so hard to believe. Come back, baby, please, cause we belong together. Who am I gonna lean on when times get rough? Who's gonna talk to me till the sun comes up? Who's gonna take your place? There ain't nobody better. Oh, baby, baby, we belong together.
and plus, this is older Mariah. Let's not forget that this is older Mariah. After giving us years and years of whistle notes, great vocals, she still has it. She still has it. She can still sing. She can. She can hold a note for as long as she used to be able to, but don't get it confused. Mariah Carey can still sing. That it sounded good. It still sounded good. So man, that part right there is so legendary.
Weeping may endure for a night, but joy.
Oh, is this a church song? Wait. I thought it sounded kind of churchy.
No more hurt and struggling, free of all atrocities and suffering.
he'll never forsake you, nor leave you alone. Trust him.
So is this like a Grammy? Is this just part of the Grammy performance, or is this actually part of the song? The spoken word part. Is this part? Y'all let me know. Is it part of the performance, or is this an actual part of the song? This is how the actual song goes.
He said he'll never forsake you, nor leave you alone. Trust him.
I'm just saying, y'all could have hired me to say that. I would what?
You're by my side.
Oh, they can be quiet. Wait. Okay.
You'll survive.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I need this one, young. Yo, I need this with young Mariah, prime Mariah. Don't get me wrong, she still sounds good. But Mariah in her prime, this song right here, yeah, I need that. Please, give me your best suggestions for that one. I need that. Especially if it has the choir in it. What? It's something about the hook. Mariah Carey hooks when it has a choir with it too. Her hook with choirs are crazy. That anytime you need a friend, it's another one that's on tip of my tongue. It's gonna come to me as soon as I turn the video off. I already know it. And this one, the hook, it fly like a bird, songs what? Yeah. They did their thing with this one. Yeah. That's all you gotta do. Just carry it a little bit higher, please. That's what we. Oh yeah. I'm so thankful that Mariah Carey grew up in church. I'm so thankful for it. Because the way she leads a song toward the end, the ad libs, yeah. That one right there. Anytime you need a friend, I have a contender. Because that was a good one. Fly like a bird. I'm going to remember that. Fly like a bird. I enjoyed that one. I still got my headphones in. I enjoyed that one, y'all. I really did. But anyway, that's going to be it for the reaction. If you enjoyed the reaction, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll be back with you guys next time. I'm out.